Hi everyone, it's Beck here from Hello, my name is Beck, popping in today for Wreck This Journal Wednesday, week 4. So this prompt here is the one that I did on the Saturday, and it says drip something here, ink, paint, tea, close the book to make a print. So I've taken my fountain pen from Emma Lou Loves, and it's actually it's a fountain pen with the syringe in the actual casing, so you can actually use that to draw up the ink. And what I'm doing is I'm actually squeezing it down so that it's actually pushing the ink out, and then I'm just splattering the ink on the page now. So and I think you can all probably tell what my print is going to be. So I'm just going to squeeze the book together and we have a heart. So very appropriate for February, I thought. And then I just wanted to quickly write some things next to I was just seeing there what the ink had done to the other pages, which is quite sad. I might have to cover up. The last page you saw there was actually to test out lots of colours of pens, so I might have to actually maybe borrow a page from my bullet journal to cover up the ink stain that's gone through. But that's something for another day. And so yeah, I just wanted to write here about the fact that I'm back to work this week, and to date the page, and I'm using the same fountain pen because I just really like the colour and the fact that it actually matches the colour as well of the drip on the right hand side. So yep, just writing down some feelings. I'm really quite happy that I've decided to do that in this journal, so that I can actually document the year and look through it again at the end of the year. And then just adding a little heart there at the end, just to match the heart above. Fantastic. And so then we go on to something a bit more disgusting. This was my dinner on Friday night. This is Brinner. I don't know whether you guys have ever heard of Brinner, but this is Brinner. This is breakfast for dinner, which is an English breakfast. So baked beans, sausage, bacon, eggs, and hash brown. And it says to document the colours of your dinner. It says to rub, smear, and splatter your dinner on this page. So I am literally, before I even go down to sit and eat, I'm literally taking all the elements of my dinner and smearing them on this page. So you might be grossed out by this, and yet I wasn't. My husband, he was like, it's gonna attract ants and things, and I was like, well, when it's closed, my book's closed, I very much doubt it's gonna attract ants into my craft room because it's gonna be closed off. So this is the Saturday morning, and I'm going to draw a dinner plate, but the only thing that was big enough was the biggest circle of my round dies, my stitch dies. So, and I'm just finishing off the edge there because the actual round stitch die has the notches where you had to snip it out. So finishing it off there on the little one and drawing a fried egg. And then I'm drawing baked beans. So this was my plan, is I'm going to take the stains that I've made with my dinner, because this is the very next day, and I'm making a drawing of my dinner. So that's the bacon. I'm hoping you guys can work out what these are. And then we have sausages, and then I'm drawing the hash brown at the back. And the hash brown, for some reason, has lots and lots of triangles in it. I guess I was trying to represent the different shades of potato. So then I'm just taking my brush marker here from Artline and writing the day and date, and also writing what it was. So this is Brinner. So I'm guessing you guys might have pancakes for dinner. You might even have cereal for dinner. And so basically, Brinner is a mix of breakfast and dinner. So I then bring in my Prismacolor colouring pencils here, and I'm colouring in the bacon. The pink that I chose was a bit too pink, so I went with this one here, which was sort of a shade of red, but had touch of pink in it. So yeah, so my bacon looks quite red for some reason. I think I've obviously gone quite American with my bacon. Although my bacon at the time actually did look quite pinky red. So who knows? It was an English style bacon that we purchased from the supermarket. And you can either get smoked or unsmoked. We went with unsmoked because I don't really like smoked bacon for some reason. And yeah, it actually comes with a British flag on the actual packet, because you've got to go British when you're going for an English breakfast, don't you? And then so these are just some sausages that I am colouring in here. And trying my best to make them look like sausages and have some shading of sausages rather than shading of another item we might even be thinking that this is. So then my hash brown, I wanted to make it try and be as golden as it was coming out of the oven. So I start with those colours, and then I think it's not vibrant enough, so then I add some more triangles and then I go over the colouring that I did to actually make it more golden. So I really hope you can see a hash brown in that. I really don't see a hash brown in that one, but who knows? You get the idea of what this dinner is. So with the baked beans, I couldn't find the perfect orange, so I took a light orange and then I mixed in with this yellow here to actually blend the two Prismacolors together and so I'm only colouring in the ones that I don't have stains on. The other ones actually have stains. So if you like this video, if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe and leave me a comment below. You'll see the end results of my dinner. So take care, guys. Bye.